Hello, good day. For this video, I will be making this 3D figure here. So I'll start first by making the 2D of this figure. I'll create an imaginary line first. Type Command L, 0 and 0 as its coordinates. Then 20 and 0 degrees as its length. Looking at this figure's top view, I'll make this by parts to make it easier for making its 3D, since in 3D, all lines need to be connected with each other. With this part here, the length is 18, and for its width is just adding up all the dimensions here. So 9 plus 12 plus 9 is 30. That will be the width. Command L. Starting from the imaginary line I've made, drag the crosshair upwards and type 30. Then to the right, type 18. Downwards again, type 30. Then close to figure. I'll just erase this imaginary line. With this figure, I'm gonna create these circles next. Command C. Locate the midpoint and type 7 as its radius. I'll make another one with a radius of 15. Then, delete the excess and unnecessary lines by using Command TR or trim. Then select all this figure, type Command J to join its lines and circles. Next is this part here. I'll start by finding its length from here to this side. Since this is 18, just subtract it from 60, and that will give us 42. So type Command L. Start from this point and type 42 as its length. Drag it upwards and type the length 9. Drag it upwards again for the length 12. Enter. From this, I'll make the diagonal here. I'll create a line at this point here since its length is already 9. So Command L, 9 as the length, then 9 also downward, and make a diagonal until this point to close it. Next, I'll trim and delete the excess lines. Then I'll use mirror command to copy it to the other side. Next is to make this rectangle in the middle. I'll start by making a center line first. And with that line, I'll use the offset command. Since the length is 7, I'll use half of that length, which is 3.5. I'll just delete this center line and use mirror for this line to copy it to the other side. Then I'll just join all of these lines. Next, I'll just change the view to this one to start making the 3D figure. I'll start first in this part, so type press pull, select this figure, and drag it upwards with its length 30. I'll change the view again and select this one, and type 9 as its length. Same for this one. And for this one, Type 30 as its length. I'll check its realistic view and type 3DO to check all sides. The last part will be this diagonal part of the figure. So to do that, I'll use the chamfer edge command and I'll use the length from here to here, which is 42, and the length of this side, which is just 30 minus 9, and that will be 21. So type chamfer edge, select this edge, then select distance from the command bar. Type 21 as the distance 1 and 42 as distance 2, then enter. Now since the parts of this figure are not joined together like this, type command uni. Select all parts and enter. As you can see, it is now a whole figure. This is the top view, the front view, and the isometric view. So that will be all for today. Thank you and see you soon.